At BLM, every window and door is installed with precision by experienced local professionals, ensuring outstanding performance, durability, and flawless aesthetics. From careful on-site measurements to accurate positioning, secure fixing, weather sealing, and final quality inspection, every step follows strict international standards. Built for Saudi Arabia's demanding climate, BLM aluminum windows and doors deliver exceptional thermal insulation, weather resistance, and long-lasting reliability. Through our localized service network, we provide professional installation, technical support, and responsive after-sales service, ensuring every project is completed to the highest standard.